was thinking about starting an account on my brother's computer because he like lives elsewhere. So I like use his name and everything.
Yeah, he probably already has an eBay account, so just log into
Yeah.
that and then follow the setup steps again.
And then even if I'm not starting to like list on that account yet, like could I start warming it up now so like
Yeah,
it's ready
yeah,
once I get to 10K?
yeah, absolutely. Then right now your goal is by the end of the 30 days have 3,000 items on your eBay account. Like don't think about anything else, yeah?
Okay, so just like scraping people and putting
Just
up items.
just list 3,000 items by the end of 30 days. I'm gonna jump to Grant. Grant, how you doing, bro?
Hey Sammy, how you doing?
Good, good. Grant, give us an update. What's happening with you, man?
All right, so I've been an Ecom Sniper for about 50 days, and I just got the one account right now. I got about 8K listings, so pretty similar to Daniel. And
Hmm.
I want to start scaling to like make another account, but after like hearing what you said earlier, I'll probably just keep with this one right now until I get to 10K. But I did have a couple questions.
Yeah, go for it.
So, like I just like there's a lot of different ways you can scale, obviously. So I was thinking about starting an account on my brother's computer because he like lives elsewhere, and like I could start an account there. Is that the best way to do it, you think? To start a second account?
It's yeah. I would say that's the like use his account.
Okay, so I like use his name and everything.
Yeah, use he probably already has an eBay account, so just log into
Yeah.
that and then follow the setup steps again on Ecom Sniper. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And then even if I'm not starting to like list on that account yet, like could I start warming it up now so like
yeah,
it's ready
yeah,
once I get to 10K?
yeah. Absolutely, this is not a bad idea at all. It's a great
Okay.
idea.
And then do I use like any desk?
Yes,
Is that like the best way?
100%, 100%.
Okay. I think I know what to do then. I'm pretty I got a lot of information from the this meeting, so
Nice, nice. What was your original questions though? Just curious, yeah.
I mean I kind of just hopped in the meeting and just to try to like listen. I didn't really have like a specific question.
Gotcha, gotcha. So Grant, do you have any other questions?
That's about it.
Do you have clarity on the road ahead?
I got clarity.
Good, good. That's the main stuff, bro. Alrighty, so Jared, I'm gonna jump to you. How you doing, bro?
Hey, I'm good. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you. We tried to get to your last meeting, but I don't think I heard you then, yeah?
Yeah, no. Okay, well, I actually just made my first sale yesterday.
Nice.
Um,
Congratulations, man.
Thanks. It was a book. It was all right. It was a $21 sale. Like I was trying to like get like a bunch of scrape a bunch of sellers, but for some reason I tried to do it on my laptop at work. That didn't like it wasn't like
Right.
scraping properly. Like I wasn't able to see like oh like people that sold like items in the last like say like 7 days or 3 days or anything. It just wasn't
Yeah, totally get you. Totally get you. So, that feature kind of broke because eBay made an update. So we should have an update for Ecom Sniper tomorrow for that. But what you can do temporarily is just copy their username and then just copy it directly into the competitor scanner.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's one extra step. That's gonna be kind of like that'll get you going today.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. As for like what I should do next, like okay, so I made the sale, I put the note, I send them a little like thank you letter, whatever.
Mhm.
Should I list more of like that same thing like a book, like if it's a series of books, like should I
No,
list
I
more?
wouldn't do it with books. I would do it for like other types. You're right, you should do that, but I don't do it for books, me personally.
Okay. Okay. I was just wondering if I should do that or not.
Right
Um,
now, your goal would how many listings do you have on your account?
oh, like 60?
Okay, so bro, you haven't even started yet.
Yeah, pretty
So
much.
you have got your first sale. You probably because you're Canadian, right? On selling in the US, they probably asked you to upload your IDs and stuff, right?
I actually am also an American, so I have an American account with them.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful, bro. You're gonna kill it. Like you're not gonna have the limitations of a Canadian. So you have
All
a
right.
US bank account.
Yeah, and I also have a Canadian one too. So I don't know if I'm
Forget
able
about the
to.
Canadian account. Like you're using the US account right now, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Then right now your goal is by the end of the 30 days, have 3,000 items on your eBay account. Like don't think about anything else, yeah?
Okay, so just like keep like scraping people and putting
Just
up items.
just list 3,000 items by the end of 30 days. Like don't overthink it, just list. You know
Okay.
what I mean?
All right.
Yeah,
All
so
right.
that'll be like your main focus, you know what I mean? So and then like we can talk about optimizations and all of those are conversations after you have like the 10,000 listings.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. All right.
good.
Thank you so much.
You're on the path, dude. So just continue down the journey, you're gonna be okay, yeah?
All right. All right. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries. Jared, do you have any other questions?
Not right now, but if I do, I'll definitely leave I'll say for leave it for next meeting.
Yeah, yeah, sounds good, dude. Sounds good.